Hi class, my name is Cynthia Ramirez and I'll be your instructor for this semester. You're taking PHT 130, Calculations for Pharmacy Technicians. I wanted to introduce you to myself and welcome you to the class. A little brief history about me is that I grew up in the Imperial Valley. Currently, I am living in Sacramento, California. I have a bachelor's degree from San Diego State University in mathematics. And then while I was actually going to school for mathematics, I started working as a distribution tech in the pharmacy. And from there, I went ahead and taught mathematics at a high school. And it was something different. I believe I was not ready for. I was pretty young when I finished my bachelor's degree and started working on my credentials. And I had a very hard time with students paying attention to me because they saw me as an equal. I looked very young back then. I looked like I was in high school. And I was actually the teacher. Even when what was it, open house, that the parents would come and get to meet the teacher. They themselves said, "Oh, I thought you were a student." And but yeah, so I think my age really affected my teaching in high school. So I decided to just stay with pharmacy. I enjoyed working in the pharmacy department. And I went ahead and took the national exam since I had experience working in the pharmacy. I was able to read a book that one of my pharmacists gave me. And then I went ahead and took the exam and passed it. With the experience and what I was reading from the book, I was able to put the two together, and that helped me. And plus, I knew a lot of math, so that helped me a lot. But then still, one of the pharmacists said he would prefer me to take the courses. The courses were being offered at Imperial Valley College by Mr. Marcus. So I went ahead and applied and took the courses with him. 2 years after I finished the courses, he decided to move to San Diego. So he knew that I had a bachelor's degree. And plus, of course, I had experience in the pharmacy, and I did very well in his classes. So he asked if I wanted to go ahead and take over the courses. So I said yes, and I applied. I got the job, started teaching at IVC while working at the hospital. And but then, of course, things happen. I had to move to Sacramento because my husband was working over here. So I came last year, and the courses were being offered by multiple teachers, still in Imperial. But it seems like this semester they were having issues in getting instructors to teach the courses, and they did not want to stop the program. So they asked me if I was able to teach this class online, and I agreed. So here we are. Hopefully you guys enjoy this class online and that the course can keep going along with it. So yeah, that's a little bit about myself. Here in Sacramento, I am still working in the pharmacy department, but it's a different setting. I'm working for the corrections facility, so it's the prison. I'm not stationed at the prison. I'm outside of the prison. I'm working more towards like computer work, where we're inputting the medications into the system, making sure that when the physicians order the medication, they're correct. There are no errors to help, improve on medication errors. So we have to set up the medications accordingly. And other things, of course. So this is pharmacy is not just retail, it's not just hospital. You can move up in different areas in the pharmacy department, and as you get knowledge and experience, and if you're very savvy with computers, you can even move on to other things like what I'm doing right now at the corrections facility. They also have that available in a hospital setting as well. So it's always a job that you can improve on. If you are a person that likes customers and making people feel better, this is the job for you. And well, I hope you enjoyed the class, and it was great meeting you, and hope to see you soon. Bye.